Hello students, in this video we are going to see classification of aldehydes. Aldehydes are of two types, aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. First we will see about the aliphatic aldehydes. Aliphatic aldehydes means if the aldehyde group CHO group, also called formyl group, directly attached to the alkyl group, we get aliphatic aldehydes. RCHO is general formula of aliphatic aldehydes. RCHO, R means alkyl group attached to the CHO group. Suppose we take an example of CH3CHO, methyl group attached to the aldehyde group. The name of this aldehyde is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is example of aliphatic aldehyde, or its IUPAC name is ethanol. So if we take one more example, instead of CH3, if we write a C2H5, then total 3 carbons are present in this aldehyde, C2 and this one. So 3 carbon containing aldehyde, propion aldehyde is one more example of aliphatic aldehyde. But one exceptional case is there, if no any carbon atom but hydrogen is attached to the functional group of aldehyde, CHO group, but again it is considered as a aliphatic aldehyde, and the name of this aldehyde is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is an example of aliphatic aldehyde. So these are some aliphatic aldehydes. Aliphatic aldehydes means the aldehyde group, CHO group, attached to the open chain of carbon atoms. But in case of formaldehyde, no any carbon atom is there, but again it is considered as aliphatic aldehyde. So these are some examples of aliphatic aldehydes. Next, other classification of aldehyde is aromatic aldehydes. Aromatic aldehydes means if the aldehyde group, CHO group, directly attached to the benzene ring or aromatic ring called aromatic aldehydes. So this is benzaldehyde. If we can write its bond line formula, then we get like this structure. This benzene ring attached with CH. We cannot write C in bond line formula, CHO. So like this way, both are benzaldehydes. Benzaldehyde, this aldehyde has a bitter almond flavor. This benzaldehyde has a bitter, in Marathi we can say kadu, almond means badam. So कडू बदामासारखे टेस्ट असते त्याचे. सो benzaldehyde has a bitter almond flavor. So this is most important and it is related our daily life, so you must know about it. So bitter almond flavor due to this benzaldehyde present in that almonds. Next one, if we take one more example of aromatic aldehyde, CHO group attached to the benzene ring and at its ortho position. So here at ortho position OH group is attached. Then the name of this compound is salicyl aldehyde. This is also popular example of aldehyde and you must know about it because in the last chapter we already studied about this salicyl aldehyde. So salicyl aldehyde preparation method was there in Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Riemer-Tiemann reaction, already we studied detail about its preparation. So from phenol how it is prepared. So salicyl aldehyde and its bond line formula, we can write it as like this way. Here CHO means we can write like this way, and at its ortho position OH group is present, and this salicyl aldehyde is the most important product of Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Next one more example of this aromatic aldehyde is if CHO group. Many examples are there, some of them we are going to study here. So CHO benzaldehyde, and it's a para position. At a para position, if NO2 group is attached, then the name of this compound is para nitrobenzaldehyde. Para nitrobenzaldehyde. Para nitrobenzaldehyde is one more example of aromatic aldehyde, and its bond line formula. How to write bond line formula? This benzene ring attached with CH double bond O, and its para position NO2 is attached. So this is about some examples of aromatic aldehydes. Now you observe here. So what is the difference in aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes? In aliphatic aldehyde is alkyl group attached to the, or sp3 hybridized carbon is attached to this functional group of aldehyde. But in case of aromatic aldehydes, aldehydic functional group CHO group is directly attached to the benzene ring. We get the aromatic aldehyde. Now I am going to give you here some examples. Suppose I will give you this one more example. This is the benzene ring, and it is bonded with like this. So either it is aromatic or aliphatic aldehyde, you tell me. Now second one I will give you. This is the benzene ring, and to this benzene ring, if bond line formula is like this way, CH double bond O, then you tell me either these compounds are either aliphatic or aromatic. Suppose one more example I can write here. CHO and here CH3. Then now you tell me this first one, which type of compound it is, either it is aliphatic or aromatic. Okay, exactly correct. So this is aliphatic aldehyde, because this CHO group is not directly attached to this aromatic ring. It is attached to this carbon. Here it is CH2 group is there, and to this CH2 means this carbon, this CHO group is attached. So this CHO group is not directly attached to this carbon which is present in this aromatic ring, and therefore this is aliphatic aldehyde. See here in this example, now you tell me which type of aldehyde it is. This CHO group directly attached to this carbon, but it is not directly attached to this carbon which is the part of this aromatic ring, and hence this is a aliphatic aldehyde. Very good. And you tell me about this example, this. Okay, so which type of example it is? Exactly correct. The CHO group directly attached to this carbon of this aromatic ring, and therefore this is the aromatic aldehyde. Very good. So this is about the some examples of aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes. If we will take some examples of some important aldehyde. Suppose this CHO group attached to the benzene ring, and to this benzene ring at its meta position OCH3 group is attached, methoxy group is attached, and its para position OH group is attached. Then this is the most important, very important example of aldehyde, and the name of this aldehyde is vanillin. You know about the vanilla ice cream, okay, and this vanillin is the example of aldehyde, and this vanilla has a vanilla flavor. Vanillin has a vanilla flavor, and therefore it is used in vanilla flavor, and vanilla is the name of ice cream because all students like ice cream. So vanilla ice cream contain vanillin aldehyde, and the formula of this vanillin aldehyde is here benzaldehyde. Actually CHO group attached to the benzene ring, but at its meta position OCH3 group is attached, methoxy group, and at its para position OH group is attached. So this is the most important example of aldehyde is vanillin, and this vanillin has vanilla flavor, and therefore it is used in the preparation of ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Very good. Now next one more important example of aldehyde is, and you must know about it, if we take one more example, benzene ring attached with this carbon doubly bonded, and to this doubly bonded carbon aldehydic functional group is attached. The name of this aldehyde is cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde. This aldehyde is present in cinnamon. Cinnamon, you know, spices. In daily food we can use it. Cinnamon flavor. This cinnamaldehyde has cinnamon flavor. Cinnamon in Marathi we can say dalchini flavor, or cinnamaldehyde. In dalchini or cinnamaldehyde aldehyde is present, and due to this cinnamaldehyde it has a particular flavor or taste. Now one more